Hope you're all well. It's been a while. Been a bit busy with work and stuff, but today is special because I've got something very, very tasty to show in regards to catapults, slingshots. So this frame, well, the person who made this frame is very well known, very well regarded, and is probably one of the best slingshot makers in the world, I reckon. You've got to be up there, honestly. I went to him today. Luckily, he doesn't live too far from me, so he showed me all his current stock of what he's made, and you couldn't pick. Honestly, it was just like I was in a candy shop. So, little unboxing. So yeah, let's see what we got. Some of you may know from the box who it is. Well, let's see. Oh, well, there you go. Giveaway. There it is. The man himself. It's from John. What we got here? We got. That's what it is when it was made. Still can't get over what collection he got. Honestly, they're all stunning. This is 90mm, 23 tips, I believe. Right hand hold. And let's see if it does what it's meant to do. Oh, there we go. There's a bit of glow in there. Whee! There we go. So I think with sunlight, and if you got a torch here, so let's try that on there. There's a bit of light on it. There we go. Bit of light on there, and there we go. We're glowing. Look at that. That is stunning. I'll put the light back on. There we go. It's nice. Absolute stunning. So I banded her up. Just been out in the sun with it, so you can see her glowing now. Like that. Look at that. You can see there, that's where my hand is. So it's not so much, but still, look at that. Love that. Reminds me of the Lord of the Rings, Frodo. I said that to John. Sting, the sword, glows when there's orcs about. Well, this one glows. Well, glows when Len's about. So, yeah. It's a bit better. Let's get this light on. Yeah, over the moon with it. Holds really nice, and well, build qualities. Yeah, spot on. I can't stop looking at it. It's a lovely bit of kit. Very nice. Just wipe the old face over now and then. The old band on it is leaving little black marks, but that's nothing. Other than that, yeah, cracking bit of kit. I'll get the standard video of a few shots and a spinner, I suppose. But yeah, it's just nice. It's no accurate than that, to be honest. That one I made, to be fair. So it's not. I'm not going to say it's going to improve me shooting, because I can do with that just as much with that. It's just a luxury item, as they say. And I thought, you know what? Why not? Life's too short, so I like it. It's nice to have a nice bit of kit now and then. And that's, I think that's top end, that is. Can't fault that. So, yeah. bit of a gear tart, so why not just put that lanyard around me, because I don't want to be dropping it. But yeah, I'm over the moon with that. John, top work, mate. Yeah, anybody wants some, you know, even what's on his Etsy shop, he's got loads more, trust me. So if there's anything, I mean, he makes custom stuff, but if there's anything you want, like I did, I wanted something that wasn't on his shop, then I just messaged him and he just sent me a load of pictures over what he had, and this one stood out for me. He's got some cracking frames, all sizes, all prices. So if you want something top quality, in my opinion, he's one of the best in the world at building. He's a nice fella as well, and he can shoot. That's what makes it. It's what seals the deal for me. He makes them and he can use them. Do you know what I mean? He's probably one of the top shots in England, if not further afield. Very good shot, and he knows his apples, so that's what I like. So yeah, you can't beat buying something off of someone that knows what they're doing or talking about. So yeah, I like that. Enough waffling for me, and yeah, I'll try and get some shots of me shooting it, I suppose. One more. Ah, never mind. Zoom out. Only 10 metres. Cracking bit of kit.